Anyway though, folks, let's try out the MagSafe on this case, and yes, surprise, surprise, obviously it works just fine right there. Hey Warenoticers, Shane here, and welcome to another video on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. If you're new here, definitely take a moment to consider subscribing so you don't miss out on all my other awesome technology videos about things like smartphones, smartwatches, tech accessories, cases, computers, tablets, and really just so much more. But anyway, folks, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this box right here. This is full of Casetify's clear cases for none other than my iPhone 14 Pro Max right here. But before we start getting it open, I do have to give a huge thank you to Casetify for sending me these cases out for free in order to make this video about them. So thank you very much, Casetify. And they also gave me a link, casetify.com/warenotice, that you can use to get 15% off your order from their website. So thank you for that as well, Casetify. But anyway, folks, without further ado, let's start getting this box open. Here we go. So folks, here we are up close and personal with this box. As you can see, it's covered in this beautiful Casetify wrapping paper. You know, it's so pretty, I almost don't want to rip it off, but then again, I do, because I want to see what is inside. So we can start doing that right here. And look at this awesome presentation. I love how they always do this when they send me cases. There's also a bow tie on the box itself right here. We can flip this around so you guys can get a good look at it. And then we can go ahead and start opening this bow tie. We can untie it and we can loosen it over on this end. And then let's pop this open and voila, let's see what's inside. We've got another bow tie. So once again, phenomenal presentation. We can open this up and we've got 3 clear cases from Casetify right here. We can pull all of them out. And then let's go ahead and start getting these cases out of their individual boxes. So we've got one right here. We've got another right here. And then we've got a last one right here. We can pull this out. And then we can start removing this plastic from the cases and the fake phone on the inside. And we can also peel off this little piece right here that says Casetify Authentic. That's pretty cool. But now, folks, we are ready to start getting these on my iPhone. And I want to try this one right here first, because as you can see, it actually says my name on it, which I think is super cool, that you are able to customize these cases. So Shane right there. Over here on the back of the phone, you can see we've got a raised lip around the cameras. As Casetify fans know, their cases have these, black areas around the camera that say Casetify, so you can tell it's a Casetify case. Over here on the bottom, we've got cutouts for the lightning port as well as cutouts for the speaker grills. Over here on the side, we have volume buttons right there. We can try these out, nice and clicky. We've got a cutout right here for the mute switch. We can work on that as well. Over on the other side, we have the side button right there. We can press that. And over here on the back, we can also see the MagSafe magnets right there. Yes, all 3 of these cases are MagSafe-compatible. Casetify knows, as well as probably anyone who watches my videos know, I'm a huge fan of MagSafe, so I definitely appreciate that right there. And another thing I'm noticing too, over here on the side of this case, it says this case is made from 65% recycled material. And I'm also seeing around the sides of the case, there are these little dots, it looks like, on the inside. It is smooth to touch on the outside, but I think that adds a cool little design element right there. But now, folks, let's test out that MagSafe. So I've got my Apple MagSafe battery pack right here. We can slap it on my phone, clicks on perfectly right there, and now it is charging. So yes, that works just as expected, makes sense. Now we can try it out with my Apple MagSafe charging puck right here. We can plop my phone on and voila, magnetically attaches and starts charging it, so that works beautifully. Now let's go ahead and try out these other cases on my iPhone. So let's go ahead and pop this case off of my phone. It is a bit hard to get off right there. Definitely have to apply quite a bit of force because the case is pretty rigid once you get your phone in. And there, now my phone is out, and it was doing the countdown for the emergency SOS right there because it was taking a minute and, holding down the side button. But now that we have this out, let's put on another case right here. So these 2 cases look identical to me. I'm wondering if they are the same. Well, I guess they probably are, so I'll just put one of them on. We can try this one right here. And yeah, the case is super easy right there to actually put on the phone. So it's weird that it's so difficult to take off right there. But another thing too that I don't really like about this case actually is that the back seems much thicker than the rest of the case by quite a bit right there, because as you can see, now this may just be an optical illusion, but I don't think it is. It looks like there's quite a bit of thickness on the back of the phone right there. So that's a bit weird, and it just doesn't feel like it is proportional to the front right here, because there is a raised lip lip around the front of the phone right here, but not by very much. So it feels nearly flush with the phone's screen right there. So it's just a bit of a weird feeling. It feels like the phone should be back a bit more in the case. But actually that may just be an optical illusion. I can't really tell, because if I'm just feeling the phone in my hand, it feels, you know, relatively slim. So yeah, maybe it's just kind of the way it looks on the side, but I don't really know. Anyway though, folks, let's try out the MagSafe on this case, and yes, surprise, surprise, obviously it works just fine right there, and we can also use the MagSafe charging puck right here as well. Boop! We can try that, and yes, that is charging too. But folks, with that, anyway, there's not really much more to say about these Casetify clear cases right here. If you guys want them for yourselves, they will set you back about $82, so they're definitely on the more expensive side of cases right there. For me personally, I'd prefer just to stick with my Apple clear case right here, which is about $50. And actually, believe it or not, I was looking at it side by side with these Casetify cases, and it is significantly, at least by the way I'm looking at it right there, thinner than the Casetify ones, because Apple, the camera bump protrudes out more than on the Casetify, where the camera is more flush with the case, so there's just added thickness around most of the case. So yeah, that's just my opinion right there, but definitely let me know down in the comments what you guys think of these cases. Do you love them? Do you hate them? Do you have it for yourselves? Let me know, because I do read all the comments, by the way. And if you are in the market for your very own iPhone 14 Pro Max cases, definitely be sure to check out my playlist of all the different 14 Pro Max cases that I've featured on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. I'll have a link to that down in the description of this video, so be sure to check that out. And if you enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to smash the subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Bye.